Hello everyone, today we're gonna have an interesting video. It's a 4Runner, another 4Runner with a rusted frame. Originally customer wanted to just do this hole because that's the only one he saw, and then we started digging. We find more, this one, and probably up to here would be. And then we started checking around and we found this. So we're gonna have to do that as well. Let's see that side. That side seems to be all right. Also, on the other side, there was nothing, but then I started poking and I found this. So that's one. And we're not sure, we're gonna check here beside the tank. We may have to pull the tank to do that. We're gonna still check it. Yeah. So let's keep digging. We did end up removing the fuel tank and cleaned up a little. We have a hole here, same place as the other side. And generally, we have quite a bit of rust where the tank was because it wasn't rust-proofed in those areas. It was rust-proofed in the other areas. That's why it looks nice and rust-free, but right above the tank there was no oil spraying. That's why it looks rough. So we're gonna also oil spray these areas when we're done. We have made a piece that is fitting very perfectly and organically in this place here. It has some beveling to it, so that it fits over these existing welds perfectly. Now we just gotta weld the side here and then bend this piece around onto the lower section, and then we'll fabricate another piece. So now this piece has been spot welded. We're gonna weld it around and then bend this piece this way. This side, the left side, beside the gas tank, has been welded. It looks beautiful if you ask me. Now moving on to the other side. Now the same section on the passenger side has been welded. Now gotta do the remaining. So we did the outside of the right frame piece. Note the thread in the middle here. That's for the rock sliders. Customer requested to keep the threads accessible. He wanted to install the rock sliders later, so we left the threaded hole exposed. You have just witnessed how the metal is being formed during these types of repairs. We have officially finished welding all of this stuff on the passenger side. Everything is ready to go. Now we gotta clean it all up, paint it, and we also need to clean up all of this rusty mess and then rust-proof it with some rust-proofing oil, because that's where the tank was, and nobody bothered to spray behind the tank, and it's all rusted out like this. The whole thing has been finished. Now we are painting it with some primer, and we'll also paint with some paint. This side has already been done. Beautiful. We have already sprayed it with some rocker guard over the paint. It looks beautiful, if you ask me. And probably much stronger than original. On both sides. Lovely. Reinforced. Also cleaned up all of this mess. Now we're gonna spray it with some rust-proofing oil and stop the corrosion. Now we are rust-proofing all the areas where it's needed. Right where the tank was. All of this stuff was not sprayed because the tank was in the way. So now we're fixing that in every little hole. We have covered this whole area with some rust-proofing oil, and we are currently getting some oil inside the frame rail. That's the most important part. You can see the oil fog all around the place here. Just filling that frame rail. So it's gonna stop the corrosion from this point on. The tank is getting hooked up. We gotta put back the shield. And then it's going down. We are done. Officially finished. Engine started. This whole project is done. Thanks for watching and have a great day, and don't let your rust eat your car away. Do corrosion protection before it happens, not after.